The AI revolution is minting millionaires at a historic pace. Across the globe, investors are racing to stake their claim in what many are calling the greatest wealth creation event of our generation. From Silicon Valley boardrooms to bustling trading floors in New York, the excitement is palpable. Fortunes are being made overnight, and the opportunities seem endless for those who know where to look. But the real question is, are you positioned to be one of them? As the landscape shifts, it's not just about jumping on the bandwagon, it's about understanding the forces driving this seismic change and making informed decisions that could set you up for life. At the heart of this technological gold rush, two companies stand at the epicenter of innovation and disruption. One, the undisputed king of digital brains, whose chips and hardware power nearly every major AI model and breakthrough you hear about today. The other, a relentless pioneer that's redefining not just mobility, but the entire energy landscape, using AI to push the boundaries of what's possible in transportation, clean energy, and beyond. These titans aren't just riding the AI wave, they're the ones creating it, shaping the future with every breakthrough, every product launch, and every bold move. Their influence stretches far beyond their industries, impacting the way we live, work, and invest. The first is a semiconductor powerhouse, the go-to for cutting-edge GPUs fueling modern AI. Their chips are the backbone of everything from self-driving cars to advanced robotics, and their dominance is only growing as demand for AI accelerates. The second is an automotive and energy disruptor, training neural networks with a massive fleet of real-world data. By harnessing billions of miles of driving experience and integrating renewable energy solutions, they're setting new standards for what AI can achieve in the real world. In this video, we'll break down their strategies, explore their unique competitive edges, and reveal why Wall Street is so bullish on their futures. We'll look at the numbers, the vision, and the risks, so you can decide if these giants deserve a place in your portfolio. If you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one all the way till the end. Hit the like button, let's get 1,000 likes on this one, share the video and leave your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. This video is sponsored by Value Stocks Investing Master Course. If you're looking to grow your wealth by investing in solid, undervalued stocks, but not sure where to start, I created the Value Stocks Investing Master Course to teach you how to identify great companies, make smart investment decisions, and build a portfolio that lasts. Click the link in the description and pinned comments to get the course today and take control of your financial future. Let's dive into our first AI titan, Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDA. If you've been following the AI revolution, you've probably heard Nvidia's name come up again and again. But what makes this company so special, and why do so many experts call it the undisputed king of artificial intelligence? Let's break it down. Nvidia isn't just a chip maker, it's the backbone of the AI industry. Their technology is the silent engine powering the world's most advanced AI models, from language models to image generators and beyond. Their GPUs, originally designed for gaming, turned out to be perfect for the heavy-duty computation that AI demands. The parallel processing power of these chips allows them to handle the massive data crunching required for training and running AI models, something traditional CPUs just can't match. Every major AI breakthrough in recent years, there's a good chance it was powered by Nvidia hardware. Whether it's OpenAI's GPT models, Google's DeepMind, or the latest self-driving car algorithms, Nvidia's chips are at the heart of the action. But hardware is only half the story. Nvidia's secret weapon is CUDA, a proprietary software platform that's become the industry standard for AI development. CUDA allows developers to unlock the full power of Nvidia's GPUs, making it easier to build, train, and deploy complex AI models. Switching away from Nvidia isn't just a hardware swap, it's a total workflow overhaul. Companies and developers have invested years building expertise and code bases around Nvidia's ecosystem. This creates a powerful lock-in effect, making it extremely difficult for customers to switch to competitors without significant cost and disruption. In fact, this software moat is arguably even more powerful than their hardware lead. It's not just about having the fastest chips, it's about having the tools, libraries, and community that make innovation possible at scale. Competitors like AMD and Intel are years behind in building a similar ecosystem. While they're making progress, the gap is enormous. Nvidia's head start in both hardware and software has created a virtuous cycle. More developers means better tools, which attracts more customers, which funds more innovation. That gives Nvidia incredible pricing power. When you're the only game in town, you can command premium prices for your products. And that's exactly what Nvidia is doing with their high-end GPUs selling for tens of thousands of dollars each. Their data center revenue is exploding with triple-digit growth year over year. In fact, data center sales now make up the majority of Nvidia's revenue, overtaking gaming for the first time in the company's history. This shift highlights just how central AI has become to Nvidia's business model. Demand for their H100 and Blackwell GPUs is so high, Tech giants are placing billion-dollar orders years in advance. Companies like Microsoft, Amazon, and Google are racing to secure enough Nvidia chips to power their AI ambitions, sometimes even building entire data centers around Nvidia's latest hardware. Every major cloud provider, AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, relies on Nvidia. If you're renting AI compute in the cloud, odds are you're using Nvidia hardware under the hood. This gives Nvidia a cut of nearly every AI project, no matter who's building it. No matter which AI application wins, Nvidia gets paid. Whether it's healthcare, finance, robotics, or entertainment, Nvidia's technology is the common denominator. They're the toll booth on the AI superhighway, collecting revenue from every direction. Yes, the stock's valuation is high, but this isn't an average company. Nvidia's growth, profitability, and strategic position are unlike anything we've seen in the tech world in decades. The total addressable market for AI compute is in the trillions over the next decade. As AI becomes embedded in every industry, the demand for Nvidia's products and services is only set to accelerate. Nvidia is expanding into high-margin software and services, like their AI enterprise platform and Omniverse for 3D worlds and digital twins. These platforms allow companies to simulate factories, train robots, and design virtual environments, all powered by Nvidia's technology. This diversification means more recurring revenue and resilience. By moving beyond hardware, Nvidia is building a business that can weather industry cycles and continue growing for years to come. In automotive, Nvidia's Drive platform is becoming the brain of autonomous vehicles for major automakers. Companies like Mercedes-Benz, Volvo, and Hyundai are integrating Nvidia's AI chips and software to power everything from driver assistance to full self-driving capabilities. They're providing both in-car computers and the data center infrastructure for self-driving tech. This end-to-end approach gives Nvidia a unique advantage, allowing them to capture value at every stage of the autonomous vehicle pipeline. Wall Street analysts are raising price targets, seeing Nvidia's near monopoly on AI hardware and software. Many believe that as AI adoption accelerates, Nvidia's dominance will only grow stronger. The new Blackwell B200 GPU is expected to trigger another massive upgrade cycle, offering up to 25x the performance of previous generations. This leap in capability will unlock new possibilities in AI, from real-time language translation to advanced robotics and scientific research. This constant innovation keeps Nvidia far ahead of the competition. Their research and development engine is relentless, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in AI hardware and software. Of course, risks exist, supply chain issues, geopolitical tensions, or a competitor catching up. But Nvidia's lead and pace of innovation make these challenges manageable. The company has proven time and again that it can adapt and thrive in a rapidly changing landscape. The reward potential for long-term investors is massive. If AI continues to reshape the world as expected, Nvidia stands to benefit more than almost any other company on the planet. Nvidia isn't just a stock, it's a stake in the future of technology. Owning Nvidia means owning a piece of the infrastructure that will power the next wave of innovation, from smart cities to personalized medicine and beyond. Nvidia has officially made history by becoming the first ever to hit a $4 trillion market valuation. That milestone solidifies Nvidia's position at the very top of the tech world. In 2024, Nvidia reported a jaw-dropping $130.5 billion in revenue and an impressive net income of $72.88 billion. The company's earnings per share stand at $3.14, and with a price-to-earnings ratio of 52.52, the stock reflects high growth expectations. Currently, shares are trading at $164.92, which is still about 17.23% below the estimated fair value of $193.33, something investors are keeping a close eye on. Adding fuel to the optimism, Nvidia's CEO, Jensen Huang, is scheduled to hold a major media briefing in Beijing on July 16, signaling continued engagement with key global markets, particularly China. Over the past 3 years, Nvidia stock has surged over 910%, and analysts are already speculating about a future where Nvidia could reach a $5 trillion market cap. The company's dominance in artificial intelligence has been the driving force behind this exponential growth, placing it in a category of its own among tech titans. The growth so far may just be the beginning. As AI becomes more capable and more widely adopted, the demand for Nvidia's products could skyrocket even further. For serious exposure to the AI revolution, Nvidia is almost non-negotiable. It's the company at the center of the AI universe, with a business model built to capture value from every corner of the industry. It's the pick-and-shovel play of the century. Just as miners needed tools during the gold rush, today's AI pioneers need Nvidia's chips and software to stake their claim in the new digital frontier. So, that's Nvidia, the clear leader in AI hardware and software, driven by relentless innovation, a powerful ecosystem, and a vision for the future that's reshaping the world as we know it. But what about companies using AI to disrupt real-world industries? The story doesn't end with the hardware makers. Some of the most exciting opportunities are in the companies applying AI to transform how we live, work, and move. That brings us to our second powerhouse, leveraging AI in a transformative way. Stay tuned, because the next chapter is where the real-world impact of AI comes to life. Next up, Tesla, ticker TSLA. When most people hear the name Tesla, they immediately think of electric cars, Elon Musk, and maybe even the wild swings of the TSLA stock price. But there's a much deeper story here, one that goes far beyond the shiny vehicles and the headlines. Tesla is quietly building something much bigger than a car company. If you think Tesla is just a car company, you're missing the point. The cars are just the most visible part of a much larger, more ambitious vision. Tesla's real value lies in its relentless pursuit of artificial intelligence and the data-driven future of transportation, energy, and even robotics. The car is just the vessel. Tesla's true product is artificial intelligence. Every Tesla on the road is a rolling supercomputer, gathering data, learning, and improving with every mile driven. Elon Musk has said it himself. Tesla is an AI and robotics company that just happens to make cars. Their mission? To solve full self-driving, one of the most complex and consequential AI challenges ever attempted. Achieving true autonomy isn't just about convenience, it's about fundamentally changing how people and goods move around the world. It's a moonshot that could reshape entire industries. Unlike competitors who rely on expensive LiDAR and radar sensors, Tesla is betting on a vision-based approach. Their cars use a network of cameras and advanced neural networks that learn to interpret the world much like a human does. This approach is not only more scalable, but it also allows Tesla to leverage the power of real-world data at an unprecedented scale. Every Tesla on the road acts as a data collector, sending back millions of miles of real-world driving data to Tesla's servers. This data is the lifeblood of their AI engine, allowing their neural networks to learn from countless edge cases and scenarios that no simulation could ever fully replicate. No other company has access to this volume or quality of driving data. The more cars Tesla sells, the more data they collect, creating a powerful flywheel effect. Each new vehicle on the road makes the AI smarter, which in turn makes the product more compelling, driving even more sales. It's a virtuous cycle that gives Tesla a data advantage that's nearly impossible for competitors to catch up to. Once Tesla cracks full self-driving, the business transforms overnight. Suddenly your car isn't just a depreciating asset sitting in your driveway. It becomes a money-making machine, able to join a robotaxi network and earn passive income for its owner. This is a radical shift in how we think about car ownership and mobility. The potential revenue from autonomous ride-hailing is staggering. Imagine a world where fleets of Teslas operate like Uber or Lyft, but with no drivers, no labor costs, and near constant utilization. The addressable market is measured in trillions, not billions, and Tesla would be positioned to take a significant share. Tesla would take a cut of every ride, generating high-margin, recurring software revenue. This is a fundamentally different business model from traditional automakers, who rely on one-time vehicle sales. With robotaxi, Tesla could see a steady stream of income, transforming its financial profile and making it less dependent on the cyclical nature of car sales. But Tesla's AI ambitions go even further than self-driving cars. Elon Musk has made it clear that the company's expertise in AI and robotics will be applied to a range of industries, not just transportation. Tesla is positioning itself as a leader in the coming age of intelligent machines. Their Optimus robot project is a bold step into the world of general-purpose humanoid robots. By leveraging the same neural networks and AI technology developed for self-driving, Tesla aims to create robots that can perform a wide variety of tasks from factory work to household chores. If successful, Optimus could revolutionize manufacturing, logistics, and even the way we live at home. Imagine a future where robots handle repetitive or dangerous tasks, freeing up humans for more creative and meaningful work. The global labor market is massive, and Tesla is aiming to disrupt it with AI-powered automation. Tesla's energy business is another overlooked pillar of its AI strategy. While most people focus on the cars, Tesla is quietly building a suite of products and services that could transform the world's energy infrastructure. With products like Powerwall and Megapack, Tesla is enabling homes and businesses to store renewable energy and use it more efficiently. Their AutoBidder software uses AI to optimize energy trading and grid management, turning traditional power grids into smart, responsive networks. This could be as disruptive to the energy sector as self-driving is to transportation. Of course, Tesla's journey is not without risks. The stock is famously volatile, and the company faces fierce competition from legacy automakers like Ford and GM, as well as new EV players like BYD. The electric vehicle market is growing rapidly, but it's also becoming more crowded. But here's the key difference. Most rivals are still just car companies. They're focused on hardware, manufacturing, and incremental improvements. Tesla, on the other hand, is an AI-first company with a massive data and software advantage. Their ability to iterate quickly and learn from real-world data sets them apart. With a market cap of $1.01 trillion, Tesla continues to dominate headlines, not just for its electric vehicles, but for its ambitious ventures into AI, robotics, and autonomous driving. In 2024, the company brought in $97.69 billion in revenue and posted a net income of $7.09 billion. Its earnings per share are $1.99, and the price-to-earnings ratio currently stands at 157.54, showing that investors are betting heavily on Tesla's future. The stock is currently priced at $313.51, about 39.89% below its fair value of $438.57, suggesting significant room for upside if the company can execute on its vision. One of the most exciting developments is Tesla's robotaxi service, which analysts believe could add more than $1 trillion to the company's valuation by the end of 2026. This, combined with Tesla's continued innovations in AI and robotics, has many investors bullish on the long-term outlook. Additionally, Tesla is making strategic moves globally, with its first showroom set to open in Mumbai and deliveries in India expected to begin as early as August, marking a big step into one of the world's fastest-growing EV markets. But not everything is smooth sailing. Tesla is currently facing a wrongful death lawsuit tied to its autopilot system, raising concerns about legal liabilities. On top of that, political volatility has entered the picture. Elon Musk's announcement of a new political party caused Tesla's stock to drop by 7%, while potential changes in EV tax credits could create additional headwinds for sales. So while Tesla faces a complex mix of challenges and opportunities, its future still holds immense potential. The key will be whether it can maintain investor confidence while navigating the legal and political landscape, something it's managed to do before. Top analysts remain bullish on Tesla, not just because of its current products, but because of the potential for full self-driving, robotaxi networks, and robotics. Firms like RK invest model scenarios where Tesla's software and AI businesses become the primary drivers of value, far surpassing traditional car sales. The path to this future won't be smooth. Tesla faces real challenges from scaling up production to navigating complex regulatory environments. Delays, recalls, and government scrutiny are all part of the journey for a company trying to change the world. But Tesla is uniquely positioned. They're building the hardware, the software, and the data engine required for a new era of autonomy. Few companies in the world have the resources, talent, and vision to tackle such a broad set of challenges at once. Investing in Tesla is ultimately a bet on their vision: full self-driving, a global robotaxi network, humanoid robots, and AI-powered energy solutions. It's a bet on a future where software, data, and intelligence are the most valuable assets. It's higher risk than Nvidia or other established tech giants, but the upside could be unparalleled. If Tesla executes on even a fraction of its ambitions, the rewards for investors could be enormous. If they succeed, Tesla could become the most valuable company in the world, not just because of cars, but because of its leadership in AI, robotics, and energy. So look past the noise. Ignore the daily headlines and short-term volatility. Focus on the technology, the data advantage, and the massive markets Tesla is targeting. The company is playing a long game, and the potential is truly transformative. That's why, for those who believe in the power of AI and the future of intelligent machines, Tesla stands out as one of the most compelling AI investments for the next decade and beyond. There you have it, Nvidia and Tesla, two titans at the heart of the AI revolution. Nvidia powers the infrastructure. Tesla redefines industries with AI. Both offer unique opportunities for investors ready to embrace the future. AI isn't just hype, it's a real investable trend with companies building defensible moats. Which path you choose depends on your strategy, but ignoring AI is not an option. If you had to put $10,000 into Nvidia or Tesla for the next decade, which would you choose and why? Let me know in the comments. If you're enjoying these stock tips and you're ready to level up your investing skills, I've got something game-changing for you. I've just relaunched my Value Stocks Investing Master Course, designed to teach you the exact principles used by investing legends like Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham. But this isn't just theory. You'll learn how to spot undervalued companies using real-world metrics, build a high-quality portfolio, and protect your investments no matter what the market throws at you. Whether you're just starting out or want to sharpen your strategy, this course gives you the tools and confidence to grow real, long-term wealth. It's packed with step-by-step lessons, powerful insights, and practical strategies you won't find anywhere else. So if you're serious about investing smarter and building a future you're proud of, click the link in the description and pinned comment to join today. If you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. Our members there get full in-depth analysis on most of these stocks I mention here. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. Link is in the description. Don't forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.